I just got home from work and it is December 1st, and I just wanted to give you guys a look of the garden before it gets dark. It is after 5, like 5:20 now. So my hours are completely changing, and they will be changing again. Will definitely be changing again. I will be doing 10 hours a day going forward. So just let me give you guys a quick look of the garden before, because tomorrow it's going to rain. It's supposed to rain. It rained today and then it stopped. It had like a little break, and today would have been a perfect day to start planting my onions and planting my garlic and things like that, but I was working. So, oh my goodness, wait a minute. Hi, welcome to Beautiful Jungle. My name is Sharon, gardening in Zone 88. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching this video. This is the lettuce that we planted. Well, you saw that in a short. So that's the lettuce on the deck in the flower pots. Yeah. So I haven't been paying much attention to them. And even though it was pouring down rain all night, I've only given them food once, and clearly they definitely need some food. So we're going to go to the back. I also wanted to, in the other flower pot, plant more beets in there, and I will be able to. I will do it. I will plant more beets in the flower pot up there as well. Okay, so we're trampling through a bunch of leaves that I need to collect. So these 3 beds have nothing in there. So these are the carrots. I think these were planted in September. Yeah. August 2nd. So I am just waiting to see, let them go. Look at that. Look how big that one is. Yeah, but I want them to go through a little freeze, because I've never really tasted carrots that went through a freeze, and everyone is saying that it's really yum when it go through a freeze. So this is our broccoli. This is the snowball cauliflower that we started from seed in July. So those two, and we have some broccoli plants in this garden, in this bed. Let me just try to give you a little zoom out. Now our potatoes are here. These are the potatoes. I think this one was planted on the, let me see, 10/26, and nothing ever became of it. So the potatoes froze. I was definitely supposed to put that in the greenhouse. They froze. You see it. But there's still some green there. So when I get a chance, and I need to make that chance as quick as possible, and put them inside of the greenhouse. This is the spinach that was planted on 10/27. So this is our spinach, and nothing happened to them. This is the pak choi. And one pak choi seed got over in the spinach bed. But that's the pak choi right there. Clearly I did not thin those out. This is our cabbage. I came out here, we got down to like 27. And I came out here and all of the leaves were frozen. And to see it like this, there's slug damage going on. Some type of bug damage is going on here. So you see the cabbage? And let's see what kind of cabbage this is, because we can tell now. We can tell, because Sharon was faithful in keeping the tags going. Keeping the tags up. Oh, let me find out. I don't know. But that's a cabbage. I can't find it. And it's getting dark, and I want to get this done with. Oh, and I did find my what do you call it? Collard green plant. This is so small. Like, it's just, I don't know. It's so small. And I stuck some what is this called? Lettuce. I stuck some remaining lettuce plants in here, and you see the freeze came and they're fine. And I think this is cilantro I started. It is cilantro. And this is the other bed with the Wakefield. And this is the cauliflower. This is the collard green. That's one of the collard green plants that I found. And of course you see they have some bug damage going on there. I don't know if it's slugs or if it's bugs. I don't know what it is. But honestly, there should not be any bug pressure. But look at the size of this leaf. Look at the size of this leaf. I feel like clipping that off and just cooking it right now. Let me give you a look. Yeah. So we're gonna walk back over here. This is one of the red cabbage that we had purchased, the 6-pack. I purchased the 6-pack. That's one of the red cabbage. I've never been successful in growing red cabbage from transplants, or even if I started from seed. I've never had a success. So God willing, this is the remaining 5, and they have spread out. That's the broccoli over there. And I think this broccoli, one of the broccolis, let me see. One of the broccolis, this broccoli, started getting ahead. Do you see that? I am thinking that it's maybe a little bit too early for that. And that's some cauliflower over there, self-blanching cauliflower, the 3 of those back there. And broccoli is here. The Kabisi broccoli, probably saying it wrong. These 3 plants right here is broccoli. And these 5 plants right here is Brussels sprouts. Those 3 Brussels sprouts. And then I came out and I did the rest of my transplants. And this is green magic broccoli. This started on 8/16. So like a month later, after I did the July seeds, I started some more. And these are some Swiss chars. And I have a lot of mushroom action in this bed. I mean, a lot of mushroom action going on. Oh, right here, all along the bed, some of them right here, these little things, these little spiry things, those are, sorry, still trying to get over this head cold, so you hear me sniffling. Those all along there, those are leeks that I started from seed. Yeah. So I have them all along this bed. I have them coming in some a little bit in there. So those are leeks. These are some Swiss char, some red, some yellow Swiss char. Some of them didn't survive because there was 5 in this row here, and there was 5 in this row, and then 5 in this row. So I see 1 red is there. So that's that. So parsley is still going. And we have our lavender plant is still going. And these potatoes, you see what happened to them, right? Yeah. Comfrey is still going. The lavender is still, the parsley is still growing in our green stock. And I put these pots here, and I did the same thing I showed you guys before with the strawberry plants with the runners. And I did the same thing over there as well. And these came out at the same time that we did the seeds. And there's some kale in here and some kohlrabi. This, I know this is purple kohlrabi. And we have some kale also. These are kale plants. I don't know what kind. You know, I'm trying to be as good as possible, but you kind of miss some things after a while. So, and these are our turnips, but the golden turnips, this is it that came up for the golden turnips. It wasn't meant to be. That's it for the golden turnips, but we have the other turnips there. And let's move over to the carrots. If we can see something, like right here, some more is coming up. You have like a little bit, you see, sprouting up. I'm gonna try to go as slow as possible. Coming up. And then we have our, let me show you the tag, our bull's blood beets that was planted on, I think that was 1025 or 1026. So that's it. And remember, I did 3 in a hole. Yeah, so let me just give you guys a closer look. We don't have like 100% germination, but we have what we have. And a little bit, I see a little more is coming up here. They take a while. With the leeks, it was taking forever for them to come up. And look, that small, right? And I started some green onions over here, this side over here in this pot, the pot that we had the ginger in. This is the scarlet, let me wipe that off. Scarlet, ooh, let me focus. 830 scarlet onions. So these are the red ones. And then on this side of the pot, we have just the green onions. So just try to get as much in as possible. Oh, I forgot to show, see, it's gotten dark already. I forgot to show you guys the green, the peas, the sweet peas. Let me take, there they are. They're in this bed with the red cabbage. So they're up against here. Let me see if I can get underneath. This broccoli plant is massive. What kind of broccoli is this? Oh, the BC broccoli. So this is our peas coming up there. Yeah. Oh, sorry for the sniffling. Sorry for the. This is our garden for December 1st. Our December 1st garden. And now I'm going inside because it is Friday and it is family night, pizza, movie night. And I'm gonna make some cinnamon rolls. And I'm gonna take a shower. We're gonna get in our pajamas and we're gonna curl up in the family room and watch a movie. And I pray you guys are having a blessed day, or had a blessed day, depending on what time you're seeing this. And I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. And I would like to also say thank you for clicking on my videos, and thank you for your comments as well. And again, I pray everyone has had a blessed Thanksgiving and your holiday is going smoothly, and you're finding parking spaces in the parking lots of the of the malls that you're going to and the shopping centers that you're going to, because I know the struggle. I know the struggle because I am such a last minute shopper, and then I'm just like, you know what, gift cards. no, but we can't always do gift cards, right? Anywho, I'm rambling. Let me go inside and have my family time. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.